seeing 999 on the Powerball billboards. And yet we're seeing equally low numbers on the temperature maps.
Well, yeah, we had a minus sign on our temperatures this morning. It was a little chilly, down to about 5 below zero. A little bit improvement to our weather right now, though, at least for a day anyway. And for that reason, we'll keep Threat Tracker in the green on Monday. We'll put it back up into the yellow category for another shot of colder air on Tuesday. And then it goes back in the green on Wednesday. Now, as far as Tuesday goes, I don't think it's going to be as cold as what we saw on Sunday morning, but afternoon highs will probably only be in the teens. Well, it's a nice sunset as we take a look at our current conditions out there. 16 degrees, the present temperature. Winds now out of a southerly direction at around 8 miles an hour, which is good news, meaning that warm-up is starting to take shape. In fact, out in the central sections of the state, temperatures are still in the 20s. So, fairly light winds. And by the way, as work goes on downtown, 16 degrees presently in the Old Market area as we overlook Old Market, and certainly not as breezy down there, fortunately. Mid and lower teens across many neighborhoods. Greenbrier 14, Autumn Grove at 16. Down around the Meadows, 15 degrees, and Elmwood Park at 15 degrees as well. Across our viewing area, temperature-wise, well, the range runs from 1 degree at Carroll, single digits across northwestern Iowa over toward Wayne, to about 20 degrees in Falls City, with teens throughout much of the area. 18 degrees in Beatrice. Winds, not as much of a factor. They are generally less than 10 miles an hour now out of the southwest, which is a good thing as well. We're starting to see more of a southerly component to our winds, and tomorrow out of the west, so we expect to see those temperatures climb a little bit later on tonight and into tomorrow. Clouds are going to be rolling in here as well, but what little wind there is, it's still producing a bit of a wind chill. It still feels like 5 in the metro presently. Generally clear skies across much of Nebraska as we expand out just a little bit. We are going to see a warm front push eastward and increase in cloud cover farther overnight. So far, we're not showing any indications of that, and that will not bring any precipitation, just more cloud cover later on tonight and mostly cloudy skies tomorrow. We will drop into the lower teens for tonight, and as the cloud builds in, we will pretty much level off in the lower teens for tomorrow morning, slightly cooler to the north of us. So for tonight, before we start to see the cloud deck roll in here, we could drop to 8 to 10 degrees for overnight lows, increasing cloud cover tonight. Winds will stay very light. They'll become more westerly tomorrow, 5 to 10, mostly cloudy. We should be able to make a run into the upper 20s. And a look at the 7-day forecast now on Monday. 28, some flurries possible on Monday night as another shot of cold air pushes into the metro area, leaving temperatures only in the teens again on Tuesday, but just as quickly. We rebound nicely on Wednesday, 34 degrees, 38 on Thursday, and then another shot of very cold air headed our way. The forecast models are really not anywhere close in agreement in terms of how the later stages of the week is going to be. We do have a chance of snow in the forecast on Friday, a slight chance, but some bitterly cold weather looks to be ahead again next weekend, Kevin.
Looks like a